Well, welcome back. You're watching Let's Go Delhi right here on NDTV Metro Nation. Now, in the middle of all this economic meltdown that we are coming to learn about is the fashion show, and boy oh boy, designers are feeling the pinch.
Yes, Indian designers are feeling the heat of the global economic crisis. Many of them have even opted for cost cutting to attract international buyers. Divya Unni has the story.
To say that the economic recession has hit the Indian runway might be an overstatement, but designers are in no mood to take it light. 3 fashion shows in the past 2 months and clearly the pressure is pumping up, with most designers feeling the heat of the global financial crisis.
What has happened in the US is going to filter down to this country in a big way, definitely. Also the rest of the world. So it is a very, very scary position to be in right now. And so I'm not expecting major orders being placed during this fashion week.
With over 100 designers taking part in Mumbai and Delhi fashion weeks, each designer having to shell out around rupees 1,20,000 per week. Slow markets have forced them to cut down prices up to 30% since last year.
We've looked at the price points, we've been looking at it, and they are definitely much more price points conscious. We are all at this time than we have ever been.
So this fashion week, this season for spring-summer, it's extremely price sensitive. At the same time, we used natural fabrics like the often ignored cottons and mulls and muslins.
And it's not just the designers but even the models who are taking precautionary measures. Some of them have gone as far as opting out of bulk consignments.
Honestly, which is why I think I have not been actively part of, say, the entire fashion week, because it works better for me to do individual shows in which I can quote what I'm quoting.
All of this acting as a blessing in disguise for Indian and international buyers.
It has worked really well. All of them are more focused, keeping in mind the economy, and they're coming up with good product at good price points.
In Mumbai, Divya Unni for NDTV.